Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am playing with Dina Wakley's gloss sprays. This time I gessoed the page, and you can see how when you get it thick it's kind of resisting a little bit and creates those circles, which is kind of fun. And I was just messing around with it to see what I would end up with. Decided it was way juicy, so I'm just gonna put those on there and just like peel off a layer, and it really pulled off a bunch. And so I added some more of the gloss sprays, and I couldn't tell you what color, like a turquoisey color, and the other one I think is called Night. And of course I'm always having to stick my finger in there trying to smooth it out, but it's not really smoothing it out. I did create a lot of texture by putting that paper on there, and I decided it kind of looked interesting, but I keep trying to cover it up. Anyway, here it is after it's dry. See how dark it got? I just kept going. So I'm like, I don't really care for it much, so I'm going to put some white paint. So I put a lot of white paint around, and once I do that, I kind of feel like it looks a little bit like a planet with some white around it. I don't know what the white's going to be, but I just spread that around with my fingers and then decide it needs some interest. So I'm going to grab one of my stencils and lift up the paint to create the pattern. And I do like how this turns out, and this was a really quick page just playing around with my supplies, which is always a fun thing to do. I mean, I that's what I like about art journaling. You can just like mess around, and you may or may not come up with something wonderful, but it's always fun to have a go, give it a play. So I lift that off, and there we go. It kind of looks like, I don't know, a lattice sort of gateway. And that really looks like a planet now. So I take a Stabilo All and kind of do an outline around this edge of the planet. So it really defines it. And then just with a water brush, I go through and darken that and shade it and try to help it look a little bit more round. So now it really looks like a planet, I think. Doesn't look like space behind it, but it looks like a planet. And I found a quote, and with what's going on with coronavirus and the it helping the earth be more healthy, which I guess is the good side. I put, you can't live a healthy life on a sick planet. So, yeah, a little COVID-19 in there. But I hope you liked it. It was just a fun play. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. And if you'd like to see more from me, and you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.